Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to get started on Messenger Kid. Maybe you want to create a Messenger Kid for your child or your sister or brother but you don't know how. So today I am going to show you on how you can get started with Messenger Kid. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. From here, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, you will see in here the all shortcuts. And below that is the Messenger Kids. Tap on this Messenger Kids. And then in here, as you can see, the messaging app made for kids. Kids have all the fun, parents have control, and family can chat from Messenger. Tap on this Get Started. And then in here, as you can see, what would you like to do? You have two options. Either create an account for my child or connect with a kid through Messenger. For example, you want to create an account for my child, tap on it. As you can see in here, you have to input your child's information. After you input your child's information, tap on this next button. And then in here, as you can see, things we want you to know. Your child's name, photos, and who manage their accounts will be visible to their friends and parents of their kid friends. And also, parents and children can input the child's name, photos, birthday, gender, and who manage their accounts. Also, we restore info about the child's use of Messenger Kids, devices, friends, and messages. And lastly, we have the parent or guardian need to consent to Messenger Kids, collections, use, and sharing of their child's info. After that, tap on this create account to continue. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can get started on Messenger Kids, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can get started with Messenger Kids, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.